Winner of the 2024 TIDA Australia Designer Renovation of the Year is Brian Hevin of Box Design Studio.
Renovation of this Victorian-era residence has addressed significantly functional issues with the existing building while enhancing its sustainability and maintaining its historical character. Original Victorian windows and doors on the front facade were retained and restored, as were interior arches, fireplaces, kauri pine flooring, internal timber doors and door hardware. Redevelopment of the attic storage space allowed a new master suite to be created. While the layout of the rooms on the ground floor remains the same, there have been significant improvements to the functionality of the spaces. Redesigning the kitchen means traffic from the dining room to the rear lounge no longer has to go through the work area. A statement island is located centrally in the archway and looks like a piece of furniture in the space, with movement between the two adjacent spaces now possible in front of the island. The rear lounge smoothly transitions into a paved terrace with vertical green walls, a waterfall feature, lush planting and a 6-seat outdoor dining area. Skylights optimise natural lighting throughout, including the rear living room's large, curved north-facing skylight inspired by a Victorian arch in the entry hallway. Glass floor panels also allow light to penetrate between floors, such as the one in the kitchen, which transmits light into the reconfigured basement, where there is now a large family bathroom with laundry, plus a separate wine cellar and rumpus room. The TIDA judges found this renovation was an impressive example of how living spaces can be substantially improved and enhanced within an existing building envelope and interior layout, creating a character home with a strong emphasis on sustainability. Congratulations to Brian Hevin of Box Design Studio, winner of the 2024 TIDA Australia Designer Renovation of the Year.